Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of blurry apps on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane. Make sure both the scale and display resolution are at the recommended values. If this helps, well and good. If not, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and select the option to update these applications. If that doesn't help, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.